What's up guys, Miguel here. Quick video. This video is on what screw that is for Milwaukee M12 impact. Basically what I'm going to be using is a 6/32 5/16 slot machine screw. This is from McFadden-Dale. Tried to get some screws from the Home Depot last night and it didn't really work out. So we got the 3D printer making bit holders for the Milwaukee M12. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, and pretty much that is the proper screw for it. Not a lot of information online. I wish I could have found one in black. I don't know what the price is on these screws, but $3 online is kind of a bit much if you're gonna do a bunch of them. So I think I'm gonna get 12 of these guys for whatever price they are, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.